Welcome to our video today, where we'll be discussing one of the most intriguing topics in the world of technology, understanding error codes, unraveling the mystery behind pytubefix. Are you tired of encountering cryptic error messages that leave you scratching your head, wondering what went wrong and how to fix it well? Worry no more! In this video, we'll delve into the realm of error codes, specifically focusing on the pytubefix error. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what this error means, why it occurs, and most importantly, how to resolve it. So, let's start with the basics. Error codes are essentially messages that your system or application generates when something goes awry. They're designed to provide valuable information about the nature of the problem, helping you pinpoint the issue and take corrective action. The pytubefix error is one such code that has been puzzling many users lately. At its core, pytubefix is related to issues with video processing or uploading, particularly in environments where YouTube API integration is involved. Think of it like a miscommunication between your system and the YouTube servers. The data being sent or received gets jumbled up, leading to errors. Now, let's break down why this error occurs. There are several reasons, but we'll focus on the most common ones. Firstly, incorrect API credentials can lead to authentication issues, resulting in pytubefix errors. Secondly, problems with video formatting or metadata can also trigger this error, as YouTube has strict guidelines for content uploading. To better understand these concepts, let's consider an analogy. Think of the API as a messenger between two parties. If the messenger, your system, and the recipient, YouTube servers, don't speak the same language or have different expectations about what should be communicated, there will be errors, just like how pytubefix appears when there's a miscommunication. So, to summarize, the pytubefix error relates to issues with video processing or uploading. Incorrect API credentials and problems with video formatting are common causes. Understanding the nature of these errors is crucial for resolving them effectively. Error codes like pytubefix might seem mysterious at first, but by breaking down what they mean and why they occur, you gain the power to resolve them. Remember, understanding is key. If you have any questions or need further clarification on this topic, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. If you found this video informative and engaging, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.